In this video, I'm going to talk to you about acid reflux and how we treat it in Chinese medicine and acupuncture. Acid reflux, also known as GERD, is about a multi-billion-dollar pharmaceutical industry issue. So many people have acid reflux, and they take so much medication for it. If that's you and the medications are working, that's great, you're all set. The problem is, a lot of people, the medication doesn't work, or it starts working and then over time it stops effectiveness. And that's where we come in. We want to be able to help you. Chinese medicine treats GERD a little bit differently than the medications. We're not going after relieving your symptoms. We're going after healing the root issue of the problem. And the root issue of the problem with acid reflux is the stomach. All right, there's too much acid in the stomach. The acid travels up through the esophagus, sometimes into the throat, and sometimes even into the tongue. So what we focus on in Chinese medicine is treating the stomach, stopping the stomach from creating an overabundance of acid, and that's quite. We are able to do this. The issue here, there's a stomach disharmony causing, and the stomach gets lots of different disharmonies. Okay, some people come in and they've got excess gas and bloating. Some people come in and they just have chronic stomach pain. Some people come in and because they have too much acid being formed in their stomach. They're all different. These are different types of stomach disharmonies, and we treat them in different ways. But the thing is, with Chinese medicine, when you treat a stomach disharmony properly, you can resolve that disharmony. And when you resolve it and correct it, it no longer manifests as the unpleasant symptoms. So in this case, when you come in with reflux or GERD, we're going to help the stomach stop producing an excess of acid. And when we do, the symptoms go away. And they stay away too. The amazing thing about Chinese medicine is that once you bring the body back into balance, it tends to stay there. Now that doesn't mean you'll never have it come up again. Some people do have to come in for occasional maintenance, which we actually recommend to stay in balance. But it's not like if you get chronic headaches and you take aspirin, that's just temporary for that day, and then you'll have to take aspirin again next time. No, that's not how it works. When we correct the disharmony in your stomach for acid reflux, you will no longer have acid reflux. And you may want to come in once a month or once a quarter to keep your stomach healthy and strong. But it really is much more of a cure in that sense. We get excellent, excellent results. So call us, come on in for a treatment, and we'll help you.